So according to reports from legit online sources, including GS Marina, it seems Nothing will no longer launch the Phone 3 Pro this month again. And according to the details, the CMF Phone 3 Pro, which is expected to launch this month, would instead launch in the third quarter of the year, meaning somewhere between August and September. Now, even though it seems the brand would no longer launch the CMF Phone 3 Pro this month, the leak suggests the company could launch a much more affordable Nothing branded smartphone first before eventually unveiling the CMF Phone 3 Pro. So if you're expecting the CMF Phone 3 Pro to launch this month, well, it seems that's not going to happen. Anyway, some of the top features of the CMF Phone 3 Pro are leaked as well. According to the details, the device will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset. It's going to pack a 5500 mAh battery paired with 45 watts wired fast charging. The phone would also feature an AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution, and its design, according to its design, the device would have a metal frame. So these are the latest details about the CMF Phone 3 Pro. If there are any other leaked details about the device at any time, I will definitely update you guys, so make sure to subscribe and turn notifications. That's it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.